I kept animal alive, yet my life did not move forward. My name is Olumide. I started with what the land knew: West African dwarf goats, Yankasa sheep. They survived heat, they survived sickness, they survived everything. But survival has a sound. It is quiet. At the market, buyers touch them, then turn away. No insult, just silence. An old farmer spoke softly to me. Local blood keeps you alive. Crossed blood moves you forward. He spoke of Boer and Kalahari goats, of Balami and Uda sheep. He said, Boer with word grows faster. Kalahari with word survives it better. Balami with Yankasa balances size and strength. I listened, but listening is not the same as understanding. I thought size was the answer. I was wrong. I crossed Boer with word, then Boer with Sokoto red. The kids came bigger, heavier and faster, but they asked for more. More feed, more care, more discipline. When I tried pure exotic thinking, loss followed. One night, a kid from Boer Cross lay still, not because the blood was wrong, but because my system was weak. That day, I learned crossbreeding multiplies management. Bigger blood means bigger responsibility.